Indian Americans are the highest earning group in the United States, and it's not random. A huge percentage of them are in STEM, software engineers, IT professionals, system roles, and here's what people ignore. They choose skills the market actually pays for. Not trendy, not easy, valuable. And notice this, they're not running away from AI. They know something that we don't know, okay? And most people don't know. It's like, you have to learn skills that actually is going to pay you a lot, okay? It's not about just, I'm gonna go to school or I'm gonna learn something that, I just like. If you like something, cool, you could do it as a hobby. If you like something and you love doing it, yeah, maybe you could find some success with it. But you know what actually gets you success? The things that have already been proven to get you paid, okay? That's why I'm staying in tech. I don't know about you guys. I don't know what anybody else is talking about right here, right now. I'll be honest. I'm sticking around, okay? Because at the end of the day, when you go outside, right, everything that you see is running with technology. You go to your house, all of the tools, all of the freaking systems, all of the hardware, everything that you're seeing around, like the world is basically all tech, okay? Somebody has to manage this. Somebody has to work on these systems. Somebody has to build this, okay? And the day that I start seeing Asians and Indians saying, yeah, bro, man, we're leaving. We're done. We got to find something else to do. That's when I'm going to be scared. I'll be honest. I'm going to be scared when they come in and be like, yeah, bro, I don't know what I'm going to do now. Right? Because at the end of the day, I'll be honest with you guys, right? The Indians, the Asians, they have something that a lot of people don't have, which is that determination, right? And that, that feeling of like, what? For you to get out of poverty, you have to actually educate yourself. You have to learn the right skills, the right valuable skills, And a lot of people just don't pay attention to that. I mean, think about it like this. How many of us went to high school and just played around and cut class and worry more about the basketball team or the football team, etc., or dating and all of this stuff that we worry about in high school, right? But some of these dudes, like, they were there focused. They were there like, what? I'm here for my education. I'm here to learn. I'm here to learn skills to allow me to go to college, allow me to go to a good university, okay? And one of the reasons that they're choosing tech, right, and STEM in general, is because it pays, okay? Trust me, nobody wakes up in the morning and be like, man, I want to be taking calculus 2 and 3. Hey, man, I want to take linear equations. Nobody wakes up with that, bro. Let's be honest, okay? They do it for a reason. Same thing as like, you want to be a doctor. Who wants to be in school for like 10 years, right? Unless it comes with a bag, all right? That's just the facts, okay? So, again, I'm dropping this video here to let you guys know, like, there's so much things going on in the world, right? But one thing that is for sure is that in our future, technology is probably going to be the most important thing in the world. No matter how you look at it, no matter how you try to put it, right? No matter how many people try to scare you out of this, right? You have to understand this ain't going nowhere, all right? You have to understand that. Right now, I'm focusing on creating this new career path on codingphase.com, AI automations, man. And I'm about to drop a video later on today on something called Paperclip AI. Man, this thing has been a game changer. Like literally, like everything from the marketing to setting up automations for emails, the advertisement, helping me with SEO, creating content for UGC creators, like so many different things, right? So right now is like the best time to actually learn technical skills, because this is what the future is gonna hold. You get what I'm saying? Like, this isn't gonna go anywhere, no matter how you put it. I'm super excited with this new path that we're going on, codingphase.com, because it's building on the foundation of everything that we have been focusing on for almost 10 years, which is web administration, email development, e-commerce, of course, Shopify, right? And of course, full stack development. But, it's not like we're learning something completely different. We just learning how to now use some of these AI systems to automate things that were boring before. I see people that is constantly talking about how they're scared, they're lost, right? But in reality, it's like, there's things that I never enjoyed about coding. And now I could focus on the real important things that are actually solving the problem. So again, guys, definitely check out codingphase.com if you can. Links is going to be in the description. You can always just go to codingphase.com. You see the logo, right? But definitely check it out, man, if you want to learn these skills and you're ready to take this leap of faith, right? You have to invest in yourself, okay? Just like I said from the beginning of this video, one thing that I tip my hat to the Indians, the Asians, is like they invest in themselves, man. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'll be honest with you, from education to tutoring. I remember having my friend Gary, he was actually Indonesian. And Gary, when we grew up, I could never understand this when we used to go out of school, right? We used to leave out of school. He'll be in school extra hours, right? And I'm like, bro, like, come outside, come chill, right? He's like, I can't, my parents did this and that, right? And then on top of that, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, he will have a tutor, okay? A tutor come to his house to help him with math, help him with his writing, right? And again, I'm coming from, a certain background where, my mom didn't have no money to really go in and pay for a tutor, right? Especially to come see you in your house. But that also allowed me to understand and to see, like, man, these people really value education. And they know that you have to invest in yourself, invest in your kids, right? If you want them to have a bright future. So again, shout out to all the Indians, shout out to all the Asians, right? I got a lot of supporters in those communities, but I wanted to put this out here because I think it's important that a lot of people understand that there's a reason why they're successful. There's a reason why, they're making the most money in America. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just the facts. All right, guys. So anyways, you already know it's your boy Joe back at it again, codingphase.com. Come check out the platform if you want. Again, a lot of cool stuff coming on the platform. So I want you to be part of it. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later.